Hello everybody, welcome back to Anantha Lakshmi Academy. Today we are going to discuss the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Earlier we have discussed the trigonometric ratios introduction and the corresponding exercise, and later we have also discussed the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles and the trigonometric table and the trick to figure out how to write it down and how to remember that. We also covered 11.2 exercise. After that, we are getting into this concept. If you have not gone through those videos, I'll be attaching those videos in the end card, or the links are also available in the description box. Please go through them first to get a better understanding of those concepts as well. Alright, let's get started with today's topic. So today we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. So what is a complementary angle? What is a complementary angles? Okay, where the name itself says complementary angles. Two angles, like say for suppose A and B, are said to be complement if and only if angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Two angles are said to be complement to each other only when their summation is 90 degrees. Alright, so what is the concept? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So far we have defined the ratios only for one angle, which is nothing but theta or angle A, let us suppose. What is angle B from this? 90 minus angle A, when A and B are complementary. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So what is angle B? 90 minus angle A. Okay. So we are going to define the trigonometric ratios for this particular angle, the complementary angles. We know the values like sine A, sine cos A, sine tan A. Alright. Now we are going to figure out what is sine 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A, tan 90 minus A. That is what we are going to figure out today. So let us get started with the familiar right angle triangle ABC, right angle between opposite and adjacent sides, and this is, let us consider this as usual, theta. So this is theta, and if I say this is theta and this is right angle, so let me make a note. B is 90 degrees. So let us assume angle A and angle C are complementary angles. So what does it mean? Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is theta. What is angle C then? Nothing but 90 minus theta. What is this? 90 minus theta. Okay, let us quickly figure out the trigonometric ratios for sine theta. What is sine theta? BC by AC, right? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Cosecant theta is 1 by sine AC by BC. Secant theta is 1 by cos AC by AB. And cot theta is AB by BC. Alright, these are the trigonometric ratios for theta. So what are we going to figure out? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What is the complementary angle that we figured out? 90 minus theta. That means we are looking at this triangle from here, from the point C, from this perspective with respect to this angle. In trigonometry, wherever the angle is, from that side we have to look. So here sine 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta? What is sine 90 minus theta? Is nothing but from here we are looking. So what is the opposite side? AB by hypotenuse is AC. right? Let us quickly figure out the trigonometric ratios for all the values. This is cos 90 minus theta. From here, adjacent is BC by AC. Next, tan 90 minus theta is nothing but from here AB by BC. And the regular multiplicative inverses ratios, cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to AC by AB. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to AC by BC. And then cot 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB. So let us figure out, now that we have figured out these and these things, right? If there is any value which is equal to sine 90 minus theta, which is nothing but AB by AC in here, is there an angle sine 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC? AB by AC is equal to cos theta. Can I write it like cos theta? Alright, sine 90 minus theta and cos theta has the same value. So I wrote it as sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now cos 90 minus theta is BC by AC, which is nothing but sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is AB by BC, which is nothing but cot theta. And cosecant 90 minus theta is AC by AB, which is nothing but secant theta. And secant 90 minus theta AC by BC, which is same as cosecant theta. And cot 90 minus theta is BC by AB, which is nothing but tan theta. So when we look at the complementary angles like this, other than the right angle, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is secant, and secant 90 minus theta is cosecant, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. These are like formulas. We have to remember the complementary angles ratios. Complementary angles are, whenever we say complementary angles, it is just like that, 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. What is cos? Sine and cos, it's just like for sine 90 minus theta, it is cos. Cos 90 minus theta, it is sine. For tan, it is cot. For cosecant and secant, it's just the other way around. Just like for sine cos, cosecant, it is secant. For secant, it is cosecant. For tan, it is cot, and for cot, it is tan. Alright? So this is what about complementary angles. So this is the concept for complementary angles. For all the trigonometric ratios, we just learned the 90 minus theta values and we have to remember this. How do you remember this? Sine 90 minus theta is cos. For sine it is cos, for cos it is sine. And in the same way for cosecant it is secant and for secant it is cosecant. For tan, cot, and for cot it is tan. It's quite simple. We can remember this. Alright. This is the conceptual part for complementary angles. So I request and I suggest you guys to go through the examples before, after this we are about to solve the exercise problems. So I strongly recommend you guys to go through the examples such that will give us a clue how to start and how to solve the problems in the exercise. Okay. If you feel that the content is worth enough and you are able to understand this, please like, share and subscribe to Lakshmi Academy. Thank you.